The European Space Agency, or ESA, has created Lego-style space bricks using meteorite dust to simulate lunar regolith, facilitating the testing of construction techniques for potential moon bases. These three-dimensional printed bricks enable scientists to experiment with building structures on the moon using available materials. The project not only aims to advance space engineering, but also inspires young minds, with some of the bricks displayed in Lego stores. This initiative underscores the role of creativity and play in scientific research and education, fostering interest in space science among future generations. The European Space Agency, or ESA, has embarked on an innovative project to develop construction materials for future lunar bases using locally sourced materials. In a bid to overcome the logistical and financial challenges of transporting building materials to the moon, ESA scientists have turned to an unconventional source, meteorite dust. By grinding up a 4.5 billion-year-old meteorite, they have created a substance that closely mimics lunar regolith, the layer of rock and mineral fragments covering the moon's surface. Using this meteorite dust, ESA has successfully 3D-printed Lego-style space bricks. These bricks, although rougher and monochromatic in space grey, click together much like standard Lego bricks, allowing for modular construction. This flexibility is crucial for experimenting with different designs and techniques for potential moon habitats. ESA's innovative approach not only addresses practical construction challenges, but also paves the way for sustainable space exploration by utilizing available extraterrestrial resources. The project serves a dual purpose. While it advances the scientific understanding and practicalities of building on the moon, it also plays a significant educational role. ESA has collaborated with the LEGO Group to display these space bricks in selected LEGO stores from June 20th to September 20th. This public display aims to inspire the next generation of space engineers and scientists. Children visiting these stores can see firsthand how play and imagination can lead to groundbreaking scientific advancements. ESA Science Officer Aidan Cowley emphasized the educational value of this initiative. He noted that the modular nature of LEGO bricks allows for rapid prototyping and creative problem-solving, which are essential skills in space engineering. This hands-on approach enables scientists to explore the limits of construction techniques in a low-risk, playful environment. Emmett Fletcher, head of ESA's Branding and Partnerships Office, highlighted the inspirational aspect of the space bricks. He pointed out that real-world scientists and engineers often use Lego bricks to model and test their ideas. By showcasing the space bricks, ESA hopes to spark interest in STEM, that science, technology, engineering and mathematics fields among young people, demonstrating the importance of creativity and imagination in scientific discovery. Overall, ESA's project with LEGO space bricks exemplifies how innovative thinking and cross-disciplinary collaboration can address complex challenges in space exploration. It underscores the potential of using local materials for extraterrestrial construction and highlights the importance of engaging the public, especially young minds, in the wonders of space science.